What's up, guys? Today we're gonna start with the iPhone 6 battery replacement. We're gonna start with powering off the device. Getting your tools ready. One of my first tutorials today. You need a screwdriver, a little razor to open the screen, opener tool, and that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go ahead, get these two screws in order to remove the screen. Now, taking the battery on the iPhone 6 or any other device, you gotta be very careful because they come glued to the device. So we need a heat gun. Like that. You're gonna use your opening tool right here. Now open it up. Now we're gonna go ahead. Always first disconnect the battery right away. Alright. Now we're gonna go ahead and take these 4 screws to take the screen. That way we have more space to work on the battery. Alright. Now the screen, just put it on the side. I'm gonna clean it a little bit. So now to work on the battery, this is what the secret what I use. This is what I do. You're gonna see this adhesive. They have 2. You take it off, right? You're gonna see a white part. You see the white part right here? So pretty much we're gonna be peeling that part from the bottom under the battery. Now you're gonna need your heat gun to come in place. So we got the heat gun right here. And we're gonna hit this side of the phone. Just lightly right there. That's all you need right here. And then with your tool, you're gonna give them a little push so you can get an angle to take the battery. Now what I like to do is pull it for the side, like this to the side. See how I get to the side? And start pulling it slowly. Slowly. That usually happens. No worries. Let's give him a little more angle, you know, so that it's already like heated, so easier. You can see right there. Just grab it one more time and then pull it one more time slowly. Will come out super easy. That's it. One side done. Same with the other side. If you need to hit it one more time, you can hit it too. We'll see right now if I need to hit it one more time too. I don't think so. Okay, to the side. Maybe I need to hit it. Maybe I need to hit it a little bit more. So I'm looking for that, you know. Like that is easy. Just pull it slowly, and that's it. You got your battery, all battery. Just throw it away. Now we're gonna put the new battery now. You can use the adhesive or not. Actually don't, so that way it doesn't stick. So now you're gonna put your battery one more time right there. What I like to do is to put one of them only. Now there you go. Place it right there. Perfect. Now the assembly is really easy. You go ahead and connect your screen back. There you go. Snap it in there. Go ahead and put the screws back in. Now you're gonna put your battery, a little cap. Battery, everything is okay. Put it back. Snap the size. Put the screws back. Don't forget us too. Alright, and everything's done. Alright, battery replacement on the iPhone 6s is pretty much the same. Go ahead and subscribe, give them a thumbs up, and I'll come back with new tutorials and new things for the next video. Thank you.